This video is going to come off as somewhat superficial to some people, but I'm not sorry about that because in this life we live in, nobody uses your character, or as we call it, your inner beauty to judge your looks. Let's just call a spade a spade. That being said, I'll be sharing 10 low budget tips to look high maintenance and put together all the time. Hey y'all, Chantel here per usual. Thank you all so much for joining. If you like what you see, please do well to subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to get the notification. I'm smiling so much because we just hit 70,000 subscribers. You all have my heart. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you for your referrals, for your shares, for your comments, for keeping this channel going. I know I haven't been the most consistent. There are reasons behind that, which I'll probably share in the future. But yeah, thank you for sticking around. Thank you to my OGs. Thank you to my newbies. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's road to 100K, baby. Wow. So I'm going to be getting a flag soon. Okay. Let's move on. Before I delve into the video proper, I just want to state that this is a judgment-free zone. We don't judge each other here because we're always open to learning new things and teaching someone something new every day. If any of the points I'm mentioning is alien to you, let me know in the comment section. If there are other things you can add to my list, please let us know as well in the comment section. This is a family, it's a community built with good character. We're not crass over here. If you know, you know. The first low budget tip I'll be sharing to look high maintenance and always put together is an organized living space. That includes your room, your sitting room, your kitchen, your wardrobe. That's one area that people tend to neglect. Everything about your living space in general. Those areas being organized and clutter-free will improve your mood and overall well-being, making it a seamless task for you to maintain an overall well put together appearance. Make sure your dirty clothes are separated from your clean clothes. Make sure your bed is dressed first thing in the morning after your prayers, that is. Never leave your house with a wrong put bed. That is a no. It's a no-no. Always dress your bed before leaving your room. Try your best to always clear your sink in the night before going to bed. It just makes you look more structured and helps you attain an overall output in terms of looking well put together. I know that some people might argue that this doesn't connect, but trust me when I say that once you're an organized person, it shines through. Everyone that comes across you can tell that this person is organized. She looks well put together. He or she actually looks well put together, and yeah, it also oozes that high maintenance. Remember that your environment affects your overall appearance. There's a 99.9% chance that people who are scattered never look well put together when they're in the public. It's either something is wrong, either their outfit is rumpled, or something just has to go wrong if you don't put in the work from your inner space before getting into the public. I hope that makes sense to someone. This is definitely a low budget tip you can infuse into your life to get that well put together appearance. Number 2 is a consistent skincare routine. Invest in affordable skincare products that are tailored to your skin type. Skin type being the action word here. I'm going to digress for a bit, but please stop using products based off on the fact that it works for someone else. You see that, oh, I'm having a glowy skin and I come to tell you, this is what I'm using, this is what I'm using, and you just jump off and get it. That's why in my skincare videos, I always like to use a prefix saying, this is it, I'm a dry, sensitive skin girly. So if you're like me, it might work for you. But if you're not, go and meet your esthetician. Don't be jumping on different things. Because that way, it's not even low budget anymore. You end up spending so much money on things that will not work for your skin type. So that being said, let's get back to why you need a consistent skincare routine to look good and well put together all the time. Consistency in your skincare routine will keep your skin glowing and healthy, thereby making you look effortlessly polished. Sunscreen and moisturizers are a must for everybody, male or female. Yeah, buy for your man, buy for your brother, buy for your husband, buy for your father. Just introduce them to the good life. Number 3, well-groomed nails. Can you all see mine? This includes your fingers and toenails. I've never really been a preacher of you must fix your nails for them to look good. You can also have good looking nails without the full whatever attachments, that is faux nails, right? I genuinely think you don't need to fix your nails for you to look good. Don't get me wrong, I fix my nails a lot. I love how I feel when I fix my nails, right? I'm also in my press-ons era and it's been an amazing journey. It's low budget, it's DIY approved, it is easy, that's DIY. And it is so quick. I don't have to waste time putting the whole acrylic and stuff. I just press this on put my hardener, and I'm done. I always go to the salon for it though. For now, because I don't have the gel polish machine and the gel polish, which I'm looking to get very soon, and that will cancel out my salon visits when it comes to nails. Ensuring your hands and feet look neat and well catered to every time is a low budget way to look well put together every day. Just a coat of clear polish on your nails will take it up extra notches. Fourth low budget tip on my list, look well put together to look high maintenance all the time, is having simple wardrobe staples. Build your wardrobe with classic pieces like a white button-up shirt, black pants, a little black dress, black shoes, a very nice hue of jeans. These lots can be mixed and matched easily to give off that high maintenance, always well put together appearance. Accessorizing smartly with a structured bag, a stylish belt, a pair of classic sunglasses can all add a high-end touch to every look, making you attain that high maintenance level. You get me? Let's talk proper posture next, which is where I'm struggling. I'm not going to come on here and lie. I slouch a lot, and it doesn't give off that high maintenance, well put together look, if I should say so myself. One other thing that so many people do, which I don't, I've made that conscious effort to stop it, is walking and dragging your feet on the ground. Everybody knows you're approaching because you're dragging your leg. That doesn't give off high maintenance. That doesn't give off looking good. It's just not right, in simple terms. These changes can significantly enhance your overall appearance, making you look more confident and poised. Number 6, fragrance. You all know how you get a whiff of someone's scent once they pass and you're like, who's that person? This person smells high maintenance. Basically, a lasting impression has already been made just from the fragrance of the person, right? It doesn't have to be the world's most expensive scent. Something low budget can also give you same result. It can surround you with that looking good, high maintenance aura. I'd advise you opt for subtle, fresh scents that are not overpowering. The 7th low budget tip that will make you always look good and ooze that high maintenance aura is a classic, clean hairstyle. Simple hairstyles you can easily maintain are a pro tip to always looking good and high maintenance. Please don't be like our good sis that had on sew-ins for 4 months plus. 120 plus days, yo. I'm sure most of you already saw it on social media. Like, why do you have dust coming out of your head? Why? Why couldn't she just opt for something more simple that she could maintain, knowing that she was even dandruff prone? Please don't be like her. I beg you. It's all love from me to her, but yeah, it wasn't a good look. I don't like salons, but I've also come to realize that how I look trumps how I feel about doing that thing, especially when it's something that is good for me. That being said, I make it my mission to get new cornrows every 2 weeks when I have wigs on. And when I have braids, I make sure it doesn't surpass 4 to 5 weeks max. 5 weeks is that I'm overstretching it. I also just try my best to do styles that when I have on, I can easily maintain them. When it comes to wigs, I steer clear frontals because I don't know how to maintain it. If I have a frontal on, best believe that I went to a professional for it. And that is not something I will always be doing. So I opt for closures, 5x5 closure being my favorite because I can just do different styles, side part, center part. When I have my natural hair out, I stick to ponytails and just pack my hair, make it look very nice, use the edge control on my edges. This video is focused on low budget tips. So these are things that you can infuse into your life and just make yourself look effortlessly chic all the time. Number 8 on my list is dental hygiene. A bright smile is key to looking well put together and polished every day. Regular brushing with a whitening toothpaste, tongue scraping, flossing, or using whitening strips can boost your confidence, and anyone that comes across you can attest to how well put together you look. If you can, be sure to schedule a professional dental cleaning appointment once every 6 months to a year, and it will do your dental health so good. That process removes plaques and tartar from your teeth, making it look white and healthy all year round. The ninth point on my list is well-maintained eyebrows. Keeping your eyebrows well-groomed can frame your face and make you look refined and well put together. This is a DIY process you can do with a simple eyebrow razor or tweezer. Just outline the natural shape of your eyebrows, taking away any flyaways or anything that is not in that perimeter, basically. And then use a spoolie to brush them in place afterwards. The magic of well-groomed eyebrows is one that can't be overemphasized. The last low-budget pro tip I'll be giving in this video for you to always look good, for you to look high maintenance all year round, is proper sleep and hydration. They go hand in hand. Adequate sleep and drinking enough water daily can improve your overall appearance by reducing dark circles, puffiness, and improving your overall skin texture. I'm not going to come on here and say
You must sleep 8 hours every night.
because I know that isn't everyone's reality. We have new moms, we have people who generally suffer from insomnia, hence my using the word adequate. So it doesn't necessarily have to be 8 hours, but just try your best to get enough sleep that your body will thank you for. You know, when you sleep well and you get up, you feel it in your body. You know that feeling, right? I don't need to explain it to you because I know you know. Either ways, please make sure you get enough sleep, drink enough water, and a bonus point is to mind your business. Trust me, it works. The 10 aforementioned tips are simple, practical habits that contribute to a polished, high maintenance look without a large budget. If you got value from watching, you know what to do, lovely. Please do well to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section, share the video, and subscribe if you're not yet a member of the Chantel Nation family. You want to be a part of us, so yeah, please subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon next to you, so whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to get the notification. Thank you so much for watching today. Until I come your way again, stay amazing. Bye. Mwah.